was I was second producing wind energy in the USA. The sun rays come down and cause certain parts of the Earth to heat up. This causes pressure changes in the atmosphere, which that causes wind. The blades of the wind turbine start spinning. The hot air around the wind turbine comes into the blade and keeps on spinning, which that sends electricity down the shaft to the generator. That
If our school had at least one wind turbine, the money that you will save will pay for itself in no time. First of all, a 750 kilowatt per hour turbine costs $750,000 at $1,000 per kilowatt hour. The average cost of the turbine energy itself would be about $10,165. That is a mere $101,653 per year, compared to the $159,522 that you pay today. According to our data, the average monthly savings with a turbine is $10,165,000. That is a tremendous estimated savings of $121,983 per year. Best of all, the turbine could be paid for in a very short amount of time with the money that you would save. It could be paid in as little as 6.14 years if all the savings went toward paying for the turbine. That is with no interest accounted for if the money is loaned also. In the long run, the turbine would be beneficial to the financial impact of the entire district.
Energy effectively. For example, Eldora and Spirit Lake, some of the process that they took was to receive government grants for support fundraisers. They also sell excess electricity from the wind turbine, which is about $19,000 a year. All in all, the savings exceed the cost. It's about 10 yearly payments of $97,000. With this money, they are able to hire teachers.
A more positive outcome of a wind turbine is its educational use, mostly for math and science. School will calculate wind speed and turbine rotator to see how much electric is saved. Then the data is sent to National Climate Center. As you can see, schools have done more than just save money, and that money goes to a good cause.
While studying the environmental and economic impacts of wind energy, there were many interesting aspects. First and foremost, to pay for wind turbines, there are just a few government grants. However, you may have to write many proposals to the government. There is also the environmental aspect of the wind turbines. As of now, energy is the leading contributor to global warming. Wind energy can be very helpful, though, because 1,000 megawatts can offset 3.4 billion pounds of carbon dioxide produced by fossil fuels. Also, the turbines are not noisy and do not affect wildlife in the area. Talking to locals of this area, from my calculations, 92% agree with wind energy, 92% support alternative energy, and 75% want it through government grants. For the last aspect is economic impacts, and there are many. The cost is coming down annually as a result. Wind turbines are cheaper daily. Most importantly, the wind energy costs less than 0.05 cents per kilowatt per hour. In conclusion, there are many environmental and economic impacts, and the advantages are truly worthwhile.